Welcome to our comparison of two popular nugget ice makers. Today, we're diving into the features and specifications of the EASYERA Nugget Ice Maker and the Nugget Ice Maker's Countertop. Both of these machines promise to deliver delicious, chewable ice for your drinks, but which one is the better choice for your home? Let's find out. When it comes to price, the EASYERA Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $299, making it a more premium option. In contrast, the Nugget Ice Maker's Countertop is available for $209, offering a more budget-friendly choice for those looking to enjoy nugget ice without breaking the bank. This price difference is an important factor to consider when making your decision. In terms of ice production, the EASYERA model can produce up to 33 pounds of ice in 24 hours, while the Nugget Ice Maker's Countertop takes the lead with a capacity of 35.5 pounds per day. This slight edge in production could be crucial for larger gatherings or for those who enjoy having plenty of ice on hand. When it comes to ice making speed, the EASYERA Nugget Ice Maker boasts a rapid first ice production time of just 5 minutes, while the Nugget Ice Maker's Countertop takes about 7 minutes. If speed is a priority for you, the EASYERA model may be the better option for quick access to your favorite nugget ice. In conclusion, both the EASYERA and the Nugget Ice Maker's Countertop offer great features for producing nugget ice at home. The EASYERA model is faster and has a higher price point, while the Nugget Ice Maker's Countertop provides more ice production at a lower cost. Depending on your needs and budget, either could be a fantastic addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.